Step 1. Open your web browser and go to www.switchidea.com. Step 2. Click on the Employer tab. Now you will be able to see the employer page. Step 3. On the top right corner, find the Register option and click on this link. Step 4. Click on the Employer option displayed on the pop-up screen. Step 5. Now you will see the internship posting page, which is divided into 3 sections. Step 6. Fill your details here and then click on Save and Proceed. Step 7. In the second section, you will need to provide the details regarding the internship. Fill in the details such as title, category, location, stipend. Scroll down to see the Intern Responsibilities section and other important fields. Provide the job description, application start and end dates, skills and other details. Step 8. In the third section, you need to fill in the company name, website, description and upload the company logo. Once done, click on the Post Internship button. Step 9. Now you will be shown a preview of how the internship would look like. If needed, you can edit, or click on Submit to post it. And you're done.